Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2x. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the powers. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here. So we have u equals to b over 2. When s equals to the square root of b over 2, so I will put this one gone here, and now we can find the value of u equals to b. Now number 0 we change by b over 2, and this one we change by b. This one we change by u. The s we change by this one. Next, the integration of sine u, we have negative number 3 over 2 cosine u. And we put the bounds from b over 2 to b. And now we have like this. So b, I will put this one cone here and this one cone here. Now we calculate this one, and we have number 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.